Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the How to Start a T-Shirt Business online training course. Here you will learn how you can easily start your own t-shirt business by leveraging online sales channels and marketplaces. There are many options available for you to build a t-shirt business, but we will focus on how to easily use online marketplaces that already have a customer base to sell your shirts and designs. Leveraging online sales channels and marketplaces allows you to get started quickly, simply, and also cheaply. Services such as Teespring and Merch by Amazon allow you to generate income by simply creating t-shirt designs and uploading them to their platforms. For Merch by Amazon, for example, all you have to do is create a design, submit your designs from your Merch by Amazon dashboard, and Amazon will print the shirts as customers place their orders. This is by far one of the easiest business models available today for you to start. We will discuss the various online marketplaces, how to get your shirt designs or create them yourself, and how to sell your shirt designs to generate residual and passive income. Before investing heavily into any business, it's highly important to research and decide what business model works best for you. You want something that you can enjoy doing, that's within your budget, easy for you to set up, and can be grown and scaled over time. There are three main methods you could use to start a t-shirt business. The first method is screen printing. Screen printing is when you use t-shirt printing equipment to create your own t-shirt designs and inventory. This method can be very time-consuming and costly with the cost of equipment, paint, and your t-shirt inventory. The next method is to build your own online e-commerce store to sell your shirts. This method requires you to build your own website, set up payment processing, and purchase enough inventory of each shirt design to sell to your customers. This is easier than screen printing, but requires a lot of upfront costs for inventory and storage. You should know by now that here at Quantum Courses, we love to leverage online sales channels and marketplaces. By leveraging online sales channels, you eliminate most of the costs and time-wasting activities. You can focus solely on creating and getting your shirt designs and let the online marketplaces sell the shirts for you. In this course, you get to see the step-by-step process as I add my shirt designs to each online marketplace and list my shirts for sale. You will follow along as I set up each sales channel, create and purchase shirt designs, upload the designs to the various platforms, and how to market and promote your shirts and business. So now let's take a look at the course agenda and see what we'll be covering.